omujumbe bwe bunge ya Kitutu cha North omusike Joash Nyamoko niganyaka baga gwesokia na goteba buna niganyaka baga gusugumwa n'abanta abange ukobolia ekerogo kyo gavana bwe county ya Nyamira asoboigo anyaleka baga komochia omugavana bwe county yu omusike muminyaribo asogoteba buna nigo akumusuguma mono na igo ni bara basike mukiye tambukiro gyo koligia kerogo kyo gavana omusike Nyamoko niga ukona iga chingagi siasa agento kubwatanze ase county ya Nyamira ase okomochania ko gento kwaniki wagati ya barai waigo nigo omusike Nyamoko abolia barai bonsi bagusigo chamo na gukwatisia serikali nene asokonyora komogusi asobwamo
omogusi. I want to be very frank. Omogusi enchera twakole siasa ito nencherembe kiagera. This is the second term go serve in parliament. In fact, even the first term was better. We used to pull together. Lakini bono na tuaso ya tenga kieye 2022 to date. Our performance here was dismal. Enke. That's why moroche ose abantu baroche na onyenditu angota konyaro konya it's now. Lakini bona we seem to be losing our political value. That's why even the current government ya Kenya Kwanza turade bena tigo tujali mono. You see, into a community you get about even a single PS, of course into what a Solicitor General Muske Shadrach Musi. But again, when you go, okaro tira uchiaga na bogoro na ganganto what even a permanent secretary. Minister to what no since independence. To have to 2 ministers, but also at the same time, whether we have 22 ministries, 21, legislative 16. So, anytime I'm the only elected member of parliament at UDA from Nyamira. So that should tell you a story. Since 1992, constituency and North Mugirango Nyanya. Those are many years. So it's an indicator in some ways. Again, we are solid in terms of performance. Maybe that's why I would suggest na inchi na bona gango mu governor. Lakini bona ega liba gambwate ndilina aetwe in August 2022 you will serve as a member of parliament as a constituency ya North Mugirango. Ekerenga kira ikente buna bona uskoje mutwe. Nende mono kurwasi party leader yani Omuske William oyo tagete mbol even last term otagete wengo mbetere literally lakini kamukani tingo boli because ona roche na onda chigo cheki nyalibo lakini bona ise kontebia liba geli ise kutoka na bongo boli lakini timbwati yani teli na do or die. Nelia saa zingine karongo na abantu banyagonchegi especially omuntu yugo kunyaribu mu governor asenarengo na kangana mu minyoki kabisa kiara mete na nze gutena takumbwa. He doesn't have the stamina tutiarende nelina at the moment nimbwate kwene gokora